Ever wondered how to make a woman desire you without getting physical? Well, you're in luck. In this video, we'll uncover 3 key traits that women find irresistible. By embodying these qualities, you can captivate her attention and spark an undeniable attraction. 1. Courage in the face of danger. Women are instinctively drawn to men who exude courage and aren't afraid to take risks. This bravery is evident in how you handle challenging situations, whether it's making bold decisions or stepping outside your comfort zone. A courageous man remains calm and collected under pressure, never wavering in his confidence. This aura of fearlessness is both captivating and alluring. How to project courage: move and speak with confidence. Maintain a relaxed and composed demeanor, even in stressful situations. Be straightforward. Express your thoughts and opinions without hesitation or fear of judgment. Embrace challenges. Step out of your comfort zone and pursue new experiences. 2. Unpredictability and mystery. Monotony is the enemy of desire. Women crave the thrill of the unknown, the allure of a man they can't fully grasp. This unpredictability is reflected in your actions and words. You're not easily defined, leaving her curious and eager to unravel your mysteries. This enigmatic quality keeps her guessing and wanting more. How to be unpredictable. Maintain a sense of mystery. Don't reveal everything about yourself at once. Leave room for curiosity and imagination. Vary your routine. Avoid becoming monotonous in your actions and interactions. Surprise her with unexpected gestures. Show her that you can break the routine and keep her on her toes. 3. Dominance and leadership. Deep down, women desire a man who can lead and protect them. This doesn't mean being controlling or overbearing. Rather, it's about exuding confidence and taking charge when necessary. A dominant man inspires trust and security, making her feel safe and cherished. How to project dominance. Take charge. Step up and take initiative in situations. Speak with confidence. Express your thoughts with conviction and authority. Make decisions. Don't be afraid to take the lead and make choices. Conclusion. By embodying these 3 traits, courage, unpredictability, and dominance, you can make a woman desire you without ever needing to touch her. These qualities tap into her primal instincts, making you an irresistible force in her eyes. Remember, true attraction goes beyond physicality. It's about the captivating essence of who you are. Remember, attention is a precious commodity. Don't overdo it. Focus on self-improvement. Continuously strive to become the best version of yourself. Be genuine. Don't put on a facade to impress her. Be authentic and let your true personality shine through. Give her space to miss and think about you. Be consistent in your actions and words. So, genuine attraction is built on mutual respect, admiration, and connection. By developing these traits and being true to yourself, you'll naturally attract the woman you desire.